Hi, good evening everyone. Once again, this is Coach Sam and ngayong gabi boss, I would like to discuss once again our free module na atin pong ibigay po sa bawat isa. And if you are interested on this module here, all you have to do is message niyo po ako. And I would love to discuss for tonight one of our content dito po sa module na to. First, dito po sa module natin na ibibigay po natin po ng libre po sa bawat isa. And if you are hunger for learning and forex trading, all you have to do is reserve and message kasi lima lamang po ang first na makatanggap ng module na to. And pag mag-exceed na po sa lima, pasensya na. So ang title ng module na to boss is Understanding the Anatomy of a Candlestick. Nako, napaka-importante na before tayo mag-trade sa forex, kailangan natin na matuto ano ba yung candlestick na sinasabi dito. So dito po sa module 1.1, sabi dito boss, what is the candlestick? So candlestick, sometimes referred to as a Japanese candlestick, are basically used to describe price action within a particular time frame, thereby reflecting the market sentiment at a time, whether the market is more bullish or bearish as a whole. Within this time period, there will be the opening, closing, and also the high and low prices, all of which are condensed into a simple candlestick. And if you can see here, this is the bullish candle. And meron po siyang body and meron din po siyang high and then close on this price here. And then meron din po siyang tinatawag dito sa baba na low. So ibig sabihin, ang nasa taas is high and nasa baba naman is low. And ito namang isa is bearish candle. Meron din pong siyang high and then meron siyang low and also meron din po siyang body. And according to the module that we have, a candlestick consists of a body and a shadow, which is sometimes referred to as a wick. As you can see in the above image, the thick rectangular sections of the candlestick is the body, and thin line above and below the body are the upper and lower shadow respectively. Now, again, on our module, according here, let's take a look at the candle, at the bodies of the two candlestick above. Take particular notice of how the open and close price differ from each other. Notice that the candlestick on the left has closing price above the opening price. This means the market closed at a price higher than when it opened in a time period. This is commonly referred to as a bullish candle. So if kung pupunta tayo boss sa tinatawag natin na live chart, ito po yung MetaTrader 4 po natin. And if you are going to observe as of this moment, nako, nag-buy po tayo. And according here, sa module natin boss kung atin pong makita dito, ito po yung mga bullish candle. Ayan this is the bullish candle. Ito namang isa is bearish candle. So bali kung ganito po ang makita nyo, and with all the details and explanation on the module, mas lalo pa po kayong matuto and also boss, lalo pa ninyong ma-increase ang inyo pong understanding and also how you will approach on the market. Lalong-lalo na if kung kayo po ay nagbabalak na mag-trade sa forex trading tapos wala ka pang idea, nako, from basic to advanced itong module na to, boss. And again, if kung makita nyo rito, balik tayo sa module natin, ayan na po, lahat ng gusto po ninyong malaman when it comes to candlestick, boss, andito na po. So again, sa first part, matuto po kayo sa tinatawag natin na bullish candle and also bearish candlestick. And this is, by the way, basic. Pero in the long run, kasi ang module na 'to nasa 43 pages. So ibig sabihin in the long run matuto po kayo, sa tinatawag natin na advance, dito po sa module na 'to. So again, meron po akong bibigyan na 5 person, 5 lamang po, ha. So first come, first serve. Pasensya na. So long as kasi itong module na 'to, of course binili natin, pero bibigay natin sa 5 mapapalad na person. And then, dito po, next na matutunan po ninyo ang tinatawag natin na anatomy of the candlestick. Nako. So parang ano, ang tawag ko dito, boss, is you are going to learn the forex market, and also you can learn also the concept, the content, and as well as parang nasa school ka lamang, 'di ba? With all the module, and also you can review and read at the convenient of your time. So if you are interested on learning on this kind of kung gusto nyo po, ha, matuto kayo, makuha nyo itong module na to. 5 lamang po ang kailangan po natin. Message niyo na po ako kasi nako naman, in the long run mga boss, lalo po ninyong matutunan and ma-appreciate at saka ma-widen po ang understanding po natin sa pag-approach dito po sa forex. So again, congratulations po sa 5 mapapalad na makatanggap sa module na 'to. So message niyo na po, ha, 5 lamang ang atin pong kailangan. So later sa mga videos na ipo-post natin, i-discuss natin step by step itong tinatawag natin na content ni module. Pero as of now, we are doing the promotion sa 5 mapapalad at saka aspiring to learn the concept and also increase their understanding sa forex trading. So message na po. God bless po. This is Coach Sam once again from Sam FX Trading Academy. Follow for more.